At Empire Today, we believe shopping for floors should be easy. That's why Empire brings the store to you. Let me show you how shopping at home works. Skip the trips to the home improvement stores. It's easy to schedule an appointment to shop at home. Go online or give us a call and pick a time that's convenient. Schedule in the morning, and you can even have your consultation that same day. A knowledgeable flooring professional will come to your home with hundreds of samples. They'll take the time to listen, learn, and understand what you're looking for and how you use your rooms. That way, they can recommend the right floor for your needs. Choose from a wide selection of top quality carpet, hardwood, laminate, tile, vinyl plank, and even blinds and shades from brands you know and trust. The same ones you find in stores. Choose your floor where you use your floor is what I like to say. Match swatches to your home's paint colors, couch color, and cabinet colors. You'll see what the floors look like in your home's lighting to be sure it's just right. That's a nice one. Everything Empire offers is selected for quality, durability, and style, and backed by some of the best warranties around. The flooring professional will measure your rooms and give you a price estimate for your entire project on the spot. Because we want you to know what your job will cost up front, Empire provides a straightforward, all-inclusive price estimate with no hidden fees. Plus, you can apply for financing during your appointment and then schedule installation, even as soon as the next day. Get new floors without ever leaving your house. Shop at home convenience. That's Empire Today.